Today we are going to make green peas kachori with new potato damalu. Before we start, I request you people to please like and subscribe and write in the comment Jai Sri Ram. And I am a Indian Hindu and I require everyone to write in the comment Jai Sri Ram. And before we start, I've taken green peas of a bowl size quantity, green chili, ginger, little salt, roasted cumin and sugar, and put little water so that it can be grinded to a fine paste. You can see this, it's really well paste. I put oil, I'll put hing and saute it for some time so that it turns brown, and then put this green peas puree with the green chili, ginger. It should be dried up completely so that there is none water available in this particular paste. The more the harder this dough becomes, the easy to put on the stuffing for the green peas for this kachori. It should be equal to the size of, or the consistency of this dough should be equivalent to the dough of the kachori. It should not be soft, it should not be hard, it should be equivalent to the dough consistency of the outside coating as well as inside. When it start leaving the bottom of the pan, you have to take it out and spread it across in a small plate. Allow it to cool. I've taken 2 bowl of atta. You can even choose to make with the refined flour or maida. I've taken whole wheat flour, added little salt, added moyam or oil, and evenly spread the oil evenly for all the grain of the atta or the whole wheat. And even it becomes a ball kind of thing, then you should be adding the water. The water should be added very slowly so that the dough what you are going to make should be really hard, not softer kind of dough for as for the chapati or the fulkas. This is on the higher side and rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will divide this dough into small bowls of kachori size, which will be around 22 grams per kachori. And you have to use the finger, thumb, and make a deformation like this, and we'll put the green peas dough in the center and close it from outside. So like this we'll do the whole lot of this atta and the green peas mixture. See another, I will show another. So after making deformation in the dough, put the stuffing of the green peas in the center and close the dough with the finger so that it doesn't burst open, and roll it and close it evenly. It should be done with ease. Now we'll roll the ball to very even kind of roll with this size, puri size, and oil should be really hot. It should be fuming. Then only the color of this puri or the kachori comes, and this is the way it has to be fried, golden color. I'll show you another piece. It should not be pressed very hardly with the more power. It should be delicately handled and should be fried till golden both the side. When it's done, we'll remove it in a plate. I'll finish 3 puris on the kachori. We'll be eating this with new potato during the winter, And this is so wonderful, so tasty. I will show you a piece how beautiful the green peas is spread across in the kachori evenly. You can see this, and it's really yummy. Please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and family. This is English channel, and bye bye for now. See you in the next recipe.